We see heaps of shit like that. Just enjoying our coffee when this guy showed up. Look at the size of him.
Time for our fruit basket at the Daintree.
I don't remember what any of them are called,
We got
except for the watermelon.
pineapple, watermelon, papaya. There's a mandarin under there. This thing.
I remember how you eat them though.
It's delicious.
They're like a. Would it be weird if I used a fork? Oh, you've got a spoon.
Can't eat the seeds.
I need a spoon. Oh! Dropped a seed. I like the jams that she's made.
Jams are really good.
It's very sloppy. Let's try this one.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a white pineapple.
Does it, doesn't it? Go for it. Oh, that's so good. Quite tart. Kind of like a mango and a pineapple crossed.
Shall we palate cleanser? I don't want to eat the whole thing in one go.
Really?
No.
Oh. Good.
This is what they look like. Kind of looks like an elongated grape, but it's got...
Whoa.
Holy.
That's awesome. It's so sour.
Oh my god. Woo!
That's awesome. Big fan of that.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want more of this?
Like sour lollies. Looks like that.
A bit chocolatey. Cool.
What the hell? The texture, kind of like as it goes straight through. I don't think I like the texture of that though. It's a little bit
This one?
no, this. I like these palate cleansers, man.
Yeah, they're good, right?
That's like a warhead.
Yeah. These guys you crack open. And then inside, delicious, fleshy.
Wait, can we see? Ooh.
And then eat flesh.
Definitely the most fruit we've had in 6 weeks
Yeah.
since being on the road.
Most variety, I
I
guess.
think we've only ever eaten bloody bananas, hey?
Yeah.
Actually, I really like the flavour of this. I wasn't sure at first.
It's nice, right?
Papaya I'm not usually a fan of. Are you? No.
Just realised, no. Ah.
I love the cheat sheet. Drive on left in Australia. Good?
Oh, so nice.
We were here earlier and there was like fucking...
Sorry.
So
So much stinkier, hey?
yeah, I know. Struggling. Look at that. Morning.
Morning.
We got up for sunrise. It's... What time is it? It's not even 6. We've done well. We're heading to the beach to see what we can see. I freaked out for a second, Matt. For a quick moment, I thought that was a croc outline.
That thing right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's just, look at all the algae. Big gross.
Cheers to you. You want me to buy you one? I keep winning all the games.
Oh,
I think Matt should be buying. Who want that one?
Look, if you sink the white, when you've got the black as your last ball, did you really win?
Yes.
Yes. But did you win with honour, integrity?
Yes.
There's a amount of cloth, I'd say no.
That's just because you lost 3 times in a row. You got to get better at pool, babe. Got to get to the pub more. Night walk. We've been left behind.
Night walk.
La 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 la.
Do you get any funnel webs in?
Hello, little frog. I love frogs. So, we just had a nice day at the Cape Trib Fruit Farm, which was much more bougie than what we're about to have. We are heading, where are we going? We're doing the Bloomfield track today, which is a 4-wheel drive track, heading to Elim, I think it's called Elim.
Elim Beach campground with coloured sands and a beach campground.
So there's going to be nowhere to swim, and it's just going to get hotter and hotter, and the humidity is horrendous. So that'll be fun.
Can't wait. Nice cold showers. With the jerry can we filled up, it'll be great.
We'll be fine. See you there. What's happening?
Just lowering the tyre pressure.
A cheeky stop on the road. Found a rogue pub. Yeah, that's the ocean. So we've just pulled up at Elim campground. Beach is right there, but of course, no swimming. Matt's got his new stubby cooler.
How good.
I'm obsessed. So we're gonna have this, and rice, and corn, asparagus, and cheese. Oh, and kimchi. That's not bad for a camping meal, I reckon. That literally took, I'd say, like 10 minutes. It is like 100 degrees and it's absolute torture. We can't swim. Like, the beach is so pretty. It's so blue and we're so close to it. But there's crocs and probably a whole lot of other shit that will kill you. So we're trying to just like hide in the shade today, and then we're going to take a walk to the coloured sands. How serene.
Very, very serene.
How you feeling?
Pretty hot, pretty sweaty. It's the furthest north we'll make it on our trip.
We're walking the furthest north.
Walking it.
You can drive, but we need to get some steps in, don't we?
We need to get our steps in.
Oh, it's so refreshing.
It feels like another planet.
All right, we're in Mars.
We're on Mars. Guys, woo! We just climbed. Matt, was it worth it?
So worth it. My calves are fucking destroyed. Holy shit, that was hard.
Whoa.
I don't know how high above sea level we are.
What a view. Morning!
Morning. So this is the furthest north we'll make it in Queensland.
We're having super dupers for breakfast.
Having super dupers for breakfast. We probably left it a bit too late in the year to get too much further north.
Plus our brakes are fucked.
And our brakes are fucked. So we have to get back down to Cairns and then officially start our lap around Australia.
Yeah, so today we're heading to, well, we don't really know, we haven't booked it. We might stay a night in the Daintree, or we might go a bit further south, just north of Cairns, where we stayed on the way up. We'll wait and see. See how far Matt's prepared to drive.
See ya.
We've just stopped in Cooktown. And, look at that. Time for a breakfast though. Hey?
Starving.
Breakfast! What are you doing, Dal?
Oh, good.
You good?
I'm worried I've left my water bottle there as well.
No.
Yep.
Your $80 water bottle.
Yep.
Oh my god. This is why I didn't support buying such an expensive water bottle. So your hat and your water bottle.
Yep.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. It might turn up.
I guess we're sharing then.
We're sharing now.
Good morning. We got to this campsite yesterday. It's beautiful. We've woken up, had some coffee. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and we're about to walk to a waterfall that's like not too far away. We've actually stayed at this campsite before, just for one night before the Daintree, but we didn't have time to go to the waterfall, so we thought we'd come back. It is hot. Woo! Matt and I are just fighting over
Directions.
over directions. I could.
I was right, I remember the photo.
So Matt saying that he was right because we found.
We are right, we found the road.
Anyway, Matt, I owe you a beer. You were right. Oh, I made it. Ooh, we left our shoes in the wrong spot. We took them off too early.
I know, right?
So, we're actually in the Daintree now. So, the lady that owns the property that we're staying on, she doesn't actually own the waterfall because it's part of the Daintree National Park. But the only way to access it is through her property. So, if you want to come to the waterfall we're about to show you, you got to stay with her. Happy?
Oh, thank fuck.
And he's gone. Can you just see him up there? Where is he there? Welcome to Harriet's hair studio. Oh, I need a hairbrush. Can you hold these?
Yeah,
These are the only scissors we have.
these will be fine. Normally for fishing.
Go along the back.
Like just like, shh.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
You got it.
Everyone's gonna laugh at this because I know you're meant to do it in sections, but
Nah,
no.
nah, don't bother. Already feels lighter.
Hold that.
Oh nice, look at that.
Oh, I thought the tail of your fucking tattoo was hair for a second. It's just shorter. It's actually quite a bit shorter.
Yeah, way shorter than I thought you were going to go.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that a problem?
No, that's what I wanted.
We should destroy the evidence. Yeah. Road was a bit more corrugated than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, so we just put up the tyre pressure and then as soon as we hit the road,
Corrugation
the entire
station.
way.
But I actually think that this is probably the most secluded, or at least it feels the most secluded place we've camped.
I'm giving it a 7.5 out of 10 at the moment, but soon to be 8 or 9.
Why is that?
Oh, this is a swimming spot. There's a 6 swim spot. 2 points immediately.
Yeah, so we were worried that we were a bit far away from swimming, so the falls are quite a way down the road from the way we came, but I can hear water down there. We're gonna have to go and do a recce. This is beautiful.
Very, very stunning.
So many little spots. These flies though. Got it. March flies, they freaking bite, man. They suck. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I gotta get in. We're doing something a little rogue. We went to the markets today and we found green tiger prawns. So we're gonna make an agua chili as if we're in Mexico and coastal, even though we are so far from the coast right now. Not bad.
Agua chile.
Kind of. It's definitely not authentic, but it'll be tasty.
Easy. Probably all downhill as well. Don't fall down. Don't fall down.
I think it's lunchtime now, hey?
Yeah, I'm peckish.
Oh,
Soak in.
I'm so hungry. So, we have just driven a very long way. I think it's been like, we did 7.5 hours on the first day, and then we did 9.5 yesterday. Absolutely pissed with rain. We stayed in Hervey Bay last night at a caravan park, and then Elim Beach the night before again in a caravan park because we needed to have showers. We've just pulled up at Poverty Point, but all the long drives are done now, so that's good. It's gonna storm at like 7,
Yep.
and it's 3 o'clock now, so we're gonna have dinner now. Dinner at frickin' 3 p.m. I feel like an old lady.
It's the calm before the storm.
Absolutely.
We get a bottle of wine and a bit of fishing.
It already looks real grey. We finally made it! Woo! And we swam in the sea!